You can add a text item to your sheet in Colorway a couple of different ways. The first is to go up here on your right docked menu and press the T for text. Draw where you want to add the text item and start typing. This is a text item. You can also just press the T button on your keyboard, and it will automatically select the text item, and again. When you have a text item selected, and you can do this by double-clicking on that item, you can see the text icon appears in the sub-menu down here. You can press that icon and modify the properties of the text. You can choose any font from your existing font libraries, and you can apply different styles to those fonts as well. Change the size of your font, or change the color. And you can align that font in the text box, just as you would in any text editing application. You can also change the tracking and the leading, and you can also decide whether you want to wrap the font by word, by character, or turn it off. By default, text wraps by word. In the item tree, as soon as you create a text item, a dot will appear and assign a color to it. In addition to changing the color from within this color picker, you can also use colors from your palette or from your color libraries. All you need to do is drag one of those colors out of the palette, hover over the dot, and release. And you can see that that text item has now taken the color from your color palette. When you have a text item, you have a bounding box, and you can increase the size of that bounding box to stop your text getting cut off, or to change the dimensions and proportions. You can move and rotate that bounding box. By just moving the box on the top, the rotation will move in increments. By holding Shift, you have a free rotation.